Hi folks, welcome to Myrtle Avenue near Hatton Cross. While I'm speaking, 747's about to land now. Wow, awesome. On this field there's about 100 enthusiasts lining up, taking the shots. People always come and flock here. I think it's one of the best spots to take aeroplanes, especially on a day like this. Normally an aeroplane landing here every like 1 minute. So just pick any spot you like. Over there you got Heathrow Airport, and aeroplanes land on runway L27. Should be another aeroplane coming to land soon. That one over there, right in the background, is landing on runway R27. But the main one in use is runway L27. Here's the road leading up to the field, so it can get quite busy. It's probably about 3 minutes since the last one landed. Probably the local residents are used to it by now, but I don't think they'll mind. Okay, that's it from me.